SAMANDARI nkaba ndi umunyamabanga mukuru w'ishyirahamwe ry'abadandaza mu Burundi AKOBU. Ishyirahamwe AKOBU rirafise uruhara runiniya cyane kuri aba badandaza canke abagwizatunga biciye mu bafise amashyirahamwe mato. Ubwo ruhara rwa mbere no kubamenyesha nk'ibikorwa bijanye na ZERECAF. Urundi ruhara no kubereka inzira ingene boshobora gukorana n'abandi bagwizatunga n'ayandi mashirahamwe yo muri bihugu bihurikiye muri ZERECAF. Ivyo navyo bikaba ari ibihugu byose byo muri Afrika. Urundi ruhara ni nk'izi nyigisho kuko AKOBU isanzwe ari umunywanyi wa East Africa Business Council, aho umukuru w'ishyirahamwe AKOBU ari cegera ca East Africa Business Council. Urumva rero ko amakuru yose turonka hirya no hino turagerageza kuyasabikanya n'abandi bagwizatunga n'abandi mashirahamwe bikorera utwabo, na cane nk'abashirahamwe akorera akiri mato. Turavye akarusho kahari nkuko twabibashikirije, hari akarusho kaniniya kuko iyi soko igizwe n'ibihugu byo muri Afrika ni soko niniya cyane. Rero ari soko niniya cyane, ibyo umuntu ahinguriye ngaha arashobora no kubidandaza no kubishora mu bindi bihugu, kuko hariho akarusho na cyane haba mu byo kuja kudandaza canke amakori. Ibyo byose birafasha. Hariho intumbero nyamukuru ku rwego rwa ZERECAF, bavuga ko ibihugu byose bitegerezwa gukuraho inzitizi zotuma abene gihugu bagize ibihugu vya Afrika kwiyunguruza, kwidegemvya kugira ngo bashore ivyo bashoboye guhingura hirya no hino. Murumva yuko rero uruhara ni runiniya cyane, kandi turavye umurindi ZERECAF ifise n'ibihugu bafise kugira ngo tube umwe, turazi neza ko bizogira akamaro kaniniya ku mashyirahamwe yacu y'abahingura, kandi bazoba baronse isoko niniya. Iyo ugiye guhiganwa ku isoko mpuzamakungu uragerageza nawe guhingura, gushiramo akabirya kugira ngo ibyo wahinguye koko bose babihurumbire.
My name is SIMEON MISIGARO from Burundi Bureau Standard. I work as head of Standard Division in BBN. BBN can contribute in this meeting. What BBN can contribute in this meeting is just to help the stakeholders, the SMEs who are here for this meeting. There's a 2-day meeting. And the contribution is based on the standard. As I said before, I'm head of Standard Division in the BBN. Under BBN mission, we have standard and other activities, but for just to support the manufacturers, the SMEs for export is product, the product. Not only in the AAC region, but also in the ZERECAF area. The collaboration between BBN and the SMEs are very good to date, because as BBN we meet every time. The SMEs, the manufacturers, the stakeholders attempt to implement the standard, and before to access to the East African market or ZERECAF market, we need the standard and the certification. So BBN is helping to access to give the certification to these stakeholders for the purpose to access in the East African market and the abroad market.
My name is Moses KANYESIGYE, and I work at East African Business Council. where I coordinate SMEs, youth and women. It's a platform that was started in 2022 so that the youth, women and SMEs voices can be heard, but also the activities and the programs can be coordinated within that platform. We are here at Mount Zion Hotel in Bujumbura, Burundi, specifically to equip and train SMEs and youth entrepreneurs on export readiness, to give them those hands-on skills so that they can know how to comply with what the national, regional and international market wants. So one of the challenges we have been having, especially that the SMEs face, those are the challenges related to compliance standards. Let me give an example of agriculture. Someone from planting to harvesting, to transportation, to storage, to packaging until a product meets a final consumer. So that's where the challenge has been having compliance, so that at the end of the day the challenge is at the border level. So when the final product is facing the border, that's when the challenges come. But what we want to solve is that we want the challenges to be dealt with immediately in those processes. From planting to harvesting to transportation to storage, so that the challenges related to compliance are reduced. But also we are also looking on how the Burundian entrepreneurs and SMEs can take advantage of the Continental Free Trade Area. So this is an agreement within the 54 countries with almost 2 billion people population, with 1.34 GDP. So we are looking at telling the entrepreneurs within Burundi not to look at only Burundi, DRC market, Rwanda, Uganda, Somalia, but we are look at the bigger level, the wider level of other market. So that's why we are here, first of all, to give them skills on compliance and standards, focusing on those annexes of TBT and SPS, but also trade and information data, but also coordination to know each other. We are here with experts from the BBN, experts from CFTA, so that they can know, they can tell them and teach them and give them hands-on skills. Thank you.